The overall goal of this procedure is to establish a monitoring station that can continuously monitor the hydrology and water quality of a vernal pond.
This method can provide insight into the functionality of vernal ponds, such as how human activities are impacting these sensitive aquatic ecosystems.
The main advantage of this technique is that it allows us to know at a high temporal resolution what the major water quality parameters are that may be influencing contaminant fate and transport.
Though this method can provide insight into vernal pond ecosystem, it can also be applied to other systems such as lakes or streams.
Visual demonstration of this method is helpful, as the setup and installation steps can be confusing when new to this equipment.
This video focuses on the installation of the vernal pond monitoring system. Details on surveying a vernal pond morphology and calculation of a pond's stage storage curve are both provided in the text protocol. The sensors for this study include a pressure transducer, a dissolved oxygen sensor, an oxidation reduction probe, an electrical conductivity probe, a pH probe, and a tipping bucket rain gauge. They should all be calibrated prior to the field installation. Apart from the rain gauge, secure all of their sensors to a cinder block or a wooden stake so they will stay at the bottom of the pond or at a depth of interest. To accomplish this, use hose clamps or zip ties. When doing so, be sure to attach the dissolved oxygen sensor at an angle at which oxygen will diffuse across its membrane. Also, install the pressure transducer upright so it measures the pressure of the water column above it. Position the sensors towards the center of the pond where they are unlikely to get dry during the study period. Measure and note the distance between